Is your system execution path getting interrupted by the Dxp library DLL? I'm Sophie Chen, a senior Windows support engineer, and I'm ready to repair your OS stability. Before we begin the walkthrough for Dxp library, check the link below for a tool to assist with library environment checks. This is the Dxp library, the Device Experience Library. This module manages the localized devices and printers UI shell. It facilitates the localized retrieval of high-resolution device icons and the localized display of hardware property manifests for connected peripherals. Knowing the file's purpose is helpful, but now we need to physically restore it. This problem affects a core Windows DLL. Start command prompt with administrator rights and run sfc/scan now so Windows can verify and restore system files such as Dxp library. If that initial setup didn't clear the pop-up, let's examine the specific initialization sequence assigned to your applications directory. A standard reboot clears out temporary memory conflicts and gives the Windows loader another chance to properly register the Dxp library component during startup. Before you restart, bookmark this video or hit the like button. It makes it much easier to find this tutorial in your history so you can pick up exactly where we left off. I know it's frustrating if the restart didn't work, but don't worry. We have a more advanced solution ready. If you need to pause the video to take a breath, please do. If the restart didn't fix the library error, we need to manually repair the specific C++ redistributable package. First, go to Control Panel, then select Programs and Features. Second, find every Microsoft Visual C++ redistributable, 2005 through 2022. Third, right-click each and select Change, then select Repair. If that fails, download the latest all-in-one VC++ redistributable package from Microsoft's website. Please note that for DLL files with numbers, the number tells you which version to repair. For example, 120 equals 2013. Before concluding, I want to address a critical security consideration for maintaining your system's integrity. A quick warning, many sites offering Dxp library DLL are actually distributing modified files that can track your keystrokes and compromise your passwords. Rather than managing individual dependencies, a comprehensive diagnostic can help you maintain the entire software environment. If you're encountering repeated missing file alerts, the recommended suite linked below provides informational guidance for Dxp library. I'm Sophie Chen. If this engineering guide helped resolve Dxp library dependency issues, consider subscribing so you have a trusted resource for future Windows troubleshooting.